Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video for you guys, and it's another product video, but this one I'm super excited about. So I'm going to be talking about the new lipstick line from Bina Khan, who is a Pakistani makeup artist, and she just launched her own makeup brand called Just Be Cosmetics. I just got this lipstick in the mail earlier this week, and I was waiting for Friday night to roll around so I can swatch it live on camera, and I'm really excited. I wanted to give you guys my first impressions, and we can just kind of experience and go on this journey together, because I've been very excited for this launch. So if you're curious on what this lipstick is like and if it's worth buying, stick around and keep watching. Okay, so I thought before getting into the actual swatch, I can go over, who is Bina Khan, what is this brand that she's come out with, and right off the bat, Bina Khan is definitely one of my all-time favorite makeup artists, both Pakistani makeup artists and non-Pakistani. She definitely is high up on the list, I think right after Lisa Eldridge. So if you've seen my previous video, you'll know how much of a fan of Lisa I am. I'm actually wearing her foundation right now, so do definitely check that video out where I go through the sample card for that foundation as well. Some of you guys commented saying that the foundation color is too light, but you can see it here. This is shade 15, and it's matching my body, so that is the shade. I don't know if it's just the ring light or the camera light. It made it look lighter, but everything matches, so that is the shade. But anyway, we're here to talk about Bina Khan. So Bina Khan is a Pakistani makeup artist. She is a heavyweight in the industry. She's worked on all sorts of models, all sorts of celebrities. She is also a bridal makeup artist, and I just love her work a lot. I think, she's like a true professional, where she's talking, like she knows her stuff, right? She's talking about color theory and the way that colors play off of each other and the way that textures play off of each other. And so I would always follow her on Instagram and YouTube, and I just love the way that she talks about makeup and what it can do to you. So I was so excited when she officially launched. This is super new, I think she launched a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, very excited about it. So about the brand, the whole concept behind the brand is that it's very much geared toward us South Asian ladies, our South Asian skin tones, whether it's very, very light or very, very dark. Us South Asian girls, we have our own undertones, we have our own skin tones that don't necessarily fall within the mainstream beauty brands that come out with foundations necessarily. Bina Khan's mission with Just Be Cosmetics is to bring makeup that out of the box fits our skin tones. It's made for our skin tones, it's made to complement our skin tones and make them sing. So I really like that aspect about them. And then the other thing that they're very, very big on is pigmentation. So these lipsticks are supposed to be super pigmented and very well formulated, and I know they are, because the way that Bina Khan talks about makeup, I know she's not going to just come out with a mediocre product. So I'm a little biased, you could say, but I still wanted to do a first impressions on this. I will leave the link down to her website below. You can read all about the brand, the philosophy behind the brand, but I just wanted to start getting into this lipstick here. So she's come out with a whole line of lipsticks. These are lipstick duos. So I believe there are about 5 different colors. Yeah, so there's 5 different colors, and she calls them lip spectrums. So basically each lipstick comes with a bullet lipstick and a liquid lipstick, and she calls them pigment fluid and pigment glaze. And so these are formulated in Italy. So Italy is known for, manufacturing great makeup. So that is one thing. And the other thing is that they did try to be very conscious of the packaging. So I know they were talking about that during the launch, that this outer packaging is very sustainable, very recyclable. So that's a little bit about the brand. I will leave you all of the detailed information down below about who Bina Khan is and what is their company about and all of that, so you can check those out. But what I want to do right now is I want to open this package up and see how it looks. So the color that I got is called the Not Just Magenta Lip Spectrum, and this one I specifically remember watching a video of Bina's where she creates this color called Anaar, right? So pomegranate in Urdu, and it was just amazing, beautiful, so richly pigmented berry pomegranate color. And I was like, I love pink tone colors like that, like deep pinks and purples and things like that. So I was like, whenever you come out with a makeup line, please make this a color in your makeup line. And so I was really happy that, you know, she was just basically foreshadowing the launch of these lipsticks. So the first lipstick that I bought from the line is the Not Just Magenta, which contains the color Anaar that she demoed in her video. And then it also contains the color Bougainvillea, which is one of my all-time favorite flowers, but it's supposed to complement it. So I'm going to open this up, and you guys should pat me on the back because I got this in the mail on a Monday and I did not swatch it because I was like, I'm gonna do a video on it so we can experience it together. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's a nice tube. So down here on the left is the, I'm assuming is the liquid pigment, and this is the bullet lipstick. And I think you can take these apart. Oh yeah, ooh, are these magnetic? No. But you can take, are these magnetic? No. But basically you're getting two lipsticks. And the one thing that I have to stop here and mention, because I know a lot of people on her Instagram and on the company's Instagram, when these launched, people had sticker shock. So I will make it clear that these lipsticks are not cheap. They're definitely at a premium price. They are $38, I believe, 38 US dollars. I think it's, I forget what the conversion is in rupees. I believe that's like 7,000 rupees. So yeah, these are definitely not cheapo lipsticks. So that's why I have very high expectations for it, because it is such a premium price. So I'm assuming these are going to be very pigmented. I don't expect any less from Bina Khan. So yeah, on the package, it says in the pigment glaze, which is the bullet lipstick, you're getting 4 grams of lipstick, and then the pigment fluid, you are getting 5.2 milliliters, which is 0.17 fluid ounces. You're getting, yeah, you're basically getting 2 full-size lipsticks in one kit. So you can call these $20 a piece maybe. So 2 lipsticks in one, 2 supposedly very pigmented lipsticks. So pigmented products just last longer because you don't need to use as much. And honestly, with something like lipsticks, I have lipsticks from many years ago, not that long ago. You're not supposed to keep lipsticks that long, but I have them, whatever. If they haven't gone rancid, I think you're fine. That's just my personal opinion. You do your own thing. But yeah, so these will last you a long time, I'm sure. So, okay, enough chit chat. I'm just going to get into it. The way that you apply these, there really is no rule to it, but basically what you can do is you can lay on the bullet lipstick first, which is that glaze, and then you can apply the pigment fluid on top, and then obviously you have like infinite possibilities of mixing it up as you wish. And I know Bina has her own mix on the box here. You can see, you know, how you can apply it and what Bina would do. So what Bina would do, she would apply Anaar as a buttery base and then layer Bougainvillea on the top of it, which is what I'm going to do. So let me just swatch. Should we swatch the bullet lipstick first? So I'm gonna take these apart. And it does look like this packaging is plastic. So I have a whole thing about trying to be a little bit more sustainable in the way that I purchase beauty products and things like that. So I'm trying to steer away from plastic products as much as I can. So I do have videos on that if you want to check that out. I'll link them somewhere up here. So that's just something I noticed. But let's see. Wow. Look at that. This beautiful color. It's like a deep, deep velvety looking purpley color. So this is Anaar, that famous Anaar that she creates in her video. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand here. Let's see if I can do it on camera. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Such a nice color. It feels very moisturizing. It feels like a moisturizing lipstick. The pigment fluid, like that. Okay, ooh, this one looks like a very thick lipstick. Okay, so let's see if we can get this swatched on camera. Ooh. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So those are the two colors. So this one here is Anaar, which is the bullet lipstick, and this one here is the fluid liquid lipstick, which is Bougainvillea. And Bougainvillea, to me, it looks like a berry red in a way, like a very pinky berry-like red. So I'm really gonna like this color. I'm gonna like both of these, but if I had to pick one, I would definitely gravitate towards Bougainvillea, even though Anaar on the video that I keep talking about, it just looked divine. So let's get into it. I'm going to go in straight from the tube. I'm getting a little nervous. Okay, let me bring my mirror close. I might do like half of my lip. Yeah, I like this a lot. It feels very buttery and smooth on the lip, and they are like super pigmented. Like you can see, it only took one swipe to get that sort of pigment level. So very happy so far. Okay, let me go in for the other side. And if you can see my upper lip hairs, I apologize. I just did not have time. Come on, you know the struggle, South Asian ladies. You know the struggle. Come on. I'm keeping it real here. Okay. Ooh, I like this. It doesn't have any scent to it, so that's good. Trying to get it as even as I can. Okay, so that is what the Anaar color looks like. Can I get in closer here? I really like that. That's what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick on top of it and see what it's doing. Oh, I like this a lot. Hold on. It's really nice. Okay, so that is what the lipstick looks like, the liquid pigment fluid, sorry, I need to get terminology right. So I just applied Bougainvillea over Anaar, and this is the resulting color that you get. I really like it. This is like super pigmented and really nice, and it's gonna work on a lot of different skin tones. I feel like every skin tone is going to be able to rock this sort of color. I really like it, and it feels really nice on the skin. I want to see how this dries down. I can already feel it drying down, so this is going to last you a while, I think, because you have that creamy base and then you're locking it in with the liquid lipstick on top. So I can already feel it. It feels it doesn't feel like tacky on the lips. So you know how some liquid lipsticks feel like sticky? This one doesn't feel like it. And it feels like it's going with my natural lip movement, which is nice. And I'm not seeing any sort of flaking or anything like that. So very happy. Okay, so I'm going to maybe apply some mascara, although here in this makeup I'm already only wearing foundation and bronzer. I don't have anything else on, so I might just keep it like this, honestly, but we shall see. Okay, so I just put on some eyeliner, some mascara, so you guys can see what it looks like when you have a little bit more makeup on your face. I think it looks phenomenal. I love the way that this lipstick has dried down. It's like, if I were to describe a finish for it, it's like a soft matte finish. It's not completely matte. It does have a little bit of dimension to it, which I really like. And it doesn't feel dry at all, but it feels like it's on your lips. So it feels really, really nice. I'm really excited. I'm so glad I picked one up, and I will be picking up some more later on. I just love the fact that it's, you know, a Pakistani makeup artist, a South Asian woman who's come out with her own makeup line, and it's really, really well formulated. So super excited about that. But there you have it. I might do a wear test with these, kind of spend the day with it, see how it stands up to food and all of that, if it's gonna hold up to our South Asian food and Pakistani food and all that. So maybe I'll do a follow-up video on that. Let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below what colors did you like the best. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.